Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is LiSin. In today's video, I'm taking you to our very normal grocery trip. There are several grocery stores that we love to go. The one we're going right now is called Life Supermarket. You can find it easily near big cities like Tokyo and Osaka. We usually do our grocery in the evening after Preston is home from work. Because having a 9-month-old by myself and carry all the grocery is just going to be too much for me to bear. The grocery store is fairly big. We started with the fruit and vegetable section. It's orange season. Lotte, our baby girl, loves oranges, so we make sure to grab some for her.
As a white person farm.
Oh, yeah, it looks like it.
Like a citrusy something.
I try to eat as much veggies as possible to balance out my diet.
Do you do good onions?
Growing up in an Asian household, I still can't get used to eating all salad greens or raw vegetables. So I love all the leafy greens that I can cook with in Japan. You can find a lot of variety of mushrooms too. They all taste very similar to me, so I usually just pick whatever I feel like getting.
Oh, wanna try that? Yeah, for Charlotte to try.
This is for me, but...
Oh, if she can try,
yeah.
she might not like it. We're gonna pick the one. The small one should be good.
Smells good.
For Charlotte.
This is like chicken feet.
Kimchi is popular in
You want
Japan
Korean?
too, surprisingly. But I found the Japanese brand is not as spicy. So if you like spicy
It does have
kimchi,
this. This
get
is
Korean
Korean
brand.
Okay.
I'm afraid the Japanese one will be not spicy enough.
Oh, true.
Do you want natto? Do we still have these? I don't think so.
One perks of shopping in the evening is that you may find good deals on fresh produce and meat products. Like the pork I found today is 40% off. What a bargain.
I want to try this.
Okay.
Nothing you like.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, like this is what I'm looking for.
We can just go. I can go to Costco tomorrow. I'll get more there. Anything you find fun?
No, I'm okay.
Bread? Any sweet bread?
We don't need any bread.
We have a loaf.
Like a chicken sandwich.
Ooh. Fried noodle sandwich. Meat cutlet. I guess some for your lunch tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, lunch.
And guys, I am so stupid. I didn't realize I turned on the slow motion. So I filmed all the clips from here slow motion. That's why there's no sound. But anyway, after we bought our groceries, we just came to the dessert ice cream section and also drink section and decided to get some fun stuff for home to enjoy. Also pick up some yeast so I can make bread for baby Charlotte. We really enjoy going grocery shopping as a family, picking out stuff that we want to cook and eat and let Charlotte to participate in this little family activity, I think we really feel accomplished and satisfied every time we go out the grocery store. The grocery store in the evening really have no people waiting, so it was very easy for us to find a checkout line without anyone to check out. During the checkout, I always get a little nervous because I never know how much I grab, and maybe I grab too much and maybe more than I need. So far, fortunately, the yen rate has been pretty low, so it's been pretty affordable for us to get grocery, even though we grab things that we want instead of needs. And today we spent about $60 for everything we got from the store. That's including all the veggies, mushrooms, drinks, bento box, meat. I personally think it's a really good deal and very excited about the grocery. In Japan, they always have some tables after the checkout line for you to pack everything in your bag. Now in Japan, they don't provide free plastic bag anymore, so most of the people just bring their shopping bag to the store. We haven't had dinner yet and I was too tired to cook, so I just grabbed some food from the grocery store and I grabbed a sushi plate for myself, and it's 10% off! We are going to Costco and see if we can get some steak or beef from Costco. Yeah, alright, let's go. The next day we went to Costco. Usually we come to Costco for fruits and meat and some frozen product because Costco have better meat option in our opinion, and they also have a lot of fruit that sell in bulk. My family eat a lot of fruit. I try to come here once or twice a month to get some bulk product. My family used a ton. Also, this is Lottie's first time sitting in the grocery cart with me. Usually we bring a stroller or carrier, so it's a really big step and milestone for her to be able to sit in there by herself. Alright, thank you for you guys to join the grocery shopping this week. If you like this type of video, let me know. I will feel more motivated to film a long form video about my grocery shopping every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.